Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix the maximum number of free accounts have been activated on this iPhone. For example, if you try to create account on your iPhone and after many tries you see that there is written the maximum number of free accounts have been activated on this iPhone, and you cannot create account on your iPhone. So what is the meaning of that? Basically, iPhone only provide a limited numbers of free Apple IDs creation on your iPhone. So if you have already created too many Apple IDs on your iPhone and you want to create another one, then it is very difficult to create, because only iPhone provides only limited number of free Apple IDs to create on your iPhone. So you have to make sure that you have not created any too many Apple IDs on your iPhone, because there are only limited numbers. So what you have to do, if you have not created any Apple IDs and you still facing this error, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to the Apple Store by opening the Safari. So here what you have to do, you have to simply go to the Apple Store and ask for the solution. What is the problem behind this? And you can also go for the Apple discussion as it is opened here, and you can simply search for the problem you are having, and after that you will find the solution to your problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.